Welcome to the MERTS instructional video for exporting names. To begin, activate the Names tab. To export all the names and address information from the committee file, select File and select Export Names. Select the location you wish to save your names file. Name the file and select Save. The file can be opened by using Notepad or Microsoft Excel. To open the file in Excel, first open the Microsoft application. Select File, then Open. Locate the exported file. Highlight the file and select Open. This will prompt a text import wizard step 1 of 3. Leave the delimited radio button selected as default. Select Next to continue. In step 2, uncheck the tab box and check the comma box. Select Finish. Your names file will appear in an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure to save your file after updating. Please note, making changes to the export file will not reflect in the committee's MERTS file. It also cannot be imported back into the software. For additional assistance, visit www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.